Okay, we're getting ready to give you a room tour. We are in room 9700. We're on deck 9.
All right.
Let's go take a look.
Come on in.
All right, so as you can see straight off, we have a nice balcony room.
Ocean view balcony.
Ocean view balcony room.
Yes. Excited.
Yes, very excited.
I'm so happy to have the couch back. One of our last couple of rooms have not had this.
Yes.
I love the couches in these rooms. So great for me doing a little work and stuff before you get up in the morning.
Yeah, awesome. Over here, you've got your little desk and your vanity mirror.
Got a full-size mirror here also right when you walk in.
Yep.
Okay, now on the desk, you've got actually 3 power outlets. You got one there, 2, 3, and then a European, and another European down there. Now you've got a USB, a regular USB-A, and then you've got a USB-C plug there.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, over here, you've got your little mini fridge down there.
Goes. There you are.
All right.
This is where your hair dryer, we've already put some junk in there.
Yes. And then you've got several little drawers over here for storage on this side. Yep, all the same, guys.
Yep, all the same, just some drawers.
All right, let's show them our wardrobes.
Which one do you want to start?
We'll start over here.
Okay.
So over here is where you have all of your hangers, and we've already shoved our suitcases in here.
Yep, that bar does come out. The middle bar, I think the top bar does too, but the middle bar does come out if you didn't need it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, on to the other one.
Wardrobe. And
Now this one does not have hangers. You have your safe over here and some shelves to put things on.
and then a couple drawers down bottom. So definitely plenty of storage.
Yeah, it looks like we definitely have a lot of storage in here. Okay.
Okay.
So on this nightstand over here, we have another outlet and a USB-C plug. And there are some shelves down there too where you can store some things.
So that's one thing we've noticed so far is there's only one regular USB plug. There's 3 USB-C plugs, so just make sure you have the right kind of cords when you come in.
Yeah, so on this side of the bed, it's exactly the same, except you have your phone over here, but you have the same plugs, USB-C and an outlet, and little shelves down below. And then you also have the light switch by your bed to turn off your lights.
Got a TV.
TV, and it's got these cool little hanging knobs.
Little hanging knobs, so some you might not need as many hooks anymore.
Maybe not.
They've listened.
All right, let's take a look at our balcony.
All right.
You probably got to unlock it.
I thought I did.
Oh, you go. All right, and as you can see, we are still in port, y'all. Port Canaveral.
Yeah, I can see your car.
All right, so
Decent little balcony. It's average.
yeah, it's pretty standard balcony. You've got 2 chairs, and the little stools are sitting there underneath your chairs. You can pull those out, and little table in the middle. But you know, you can move these around to your liking.
Now, I think these open up if you're in a connecting room. So
Yeah, these panels, if you have connecting rooms, these do open up.
all right, back inside.
Let's go back inside. Watch your
Back-
step.
Back to the AC. It's still got that new carpet smell.
All right, let's check out the bathroom, guys. All right, let's take a look at your bathroom. It's a pretty standard cruise ship bathroom.
Yeah, it's got the glass shower. Always nice rather than that shower curtain. And I don't know, for some reason it looks a little more spacious. To me, haven't really got in there yet, but it just the way the curve looks, it looks like there's a little more room in there.
Yeah, it's the shower is kind of rounded, so yeah, it looks like you have more
Rainfall. It's got a rainfall head.
It does have a rainfall. Let's come on inside and take a look. But you've got, you know, your standard shelves on the side of your sink area. There.
Standard little bathroom, but it's still a decent size.
Yeah, it's your standard bathroom.
Yeah.
Let's take a look inside the shower. Okay, so yeah, and you've got your double duty hair and body wash built in. Down below, you have the shaving bar where you put your feet up, ladies, to shave your legs. You got a couple little hooks to hang loofahs or washcloths. And this one does have the clothesline.
Oh, wow. Oh,
So,
nice.
It does have
Oh,
the
good.
clothesline. So that's pretty awesome.
Good, good. Good on bringing that back.
Scott's favorite.
Well, it's just nice to have.
All right. So that is our balcony room. Once again, we're on deck 9 aft in room 700.
Yes.
Ocean view balcony.
All right. Thanks, guys.